If you love grilled cheese, crispy paninis, toasted sandwiches, or quick hot meals, a good sandwich maker can make all of that much easier. But not every sandwich maker is designed for the same kind of cooking. Some are compact and simple, while others can grill, press, and even open flat for more versatility. So today, we're looking at 5 sandwich makers that stand out for different reasons, from an affordable option for a small kitchen to a versatile countertop grill that can do much more than make sandwiches. Let's get started. Starting us off is the Ovent electric sandwich maker, and this is the kind of appliance that makes sense if you want something simple, compact, and affordable without giving up the convenience of making hot sandwiches at home. Its compact design doesn't take up much counter space, which makes it especially useful for smaller kitchens, dorm rooms, apartments, or anyone who doesn't want another large appliance sitting on the counter. It heats up quickly and is designed to toast sandwiches while giving them that crisp, golden finish on the outside. The non-stick cooking plates also make cleanup easier because food is less likely to stick to the surface. What I like about this model is that it doesn't try to be something it isn't. You're not paying for a long list of complicated functions. It's mainly focused on making toasted sandwiches quickly and conveniently. That simplicity can actually be an advantage if you just want to prepare a grilled cheese, ham, and cheese sandwich, or another quick snack without dealing with multiple settings. The trade-off is that this isn't the model I'd choose if you want a versatile grill that can handle a wide variety of foods. Its compact design also means you're working with less cooking space, so larger sandwiches or multiple servings can be limiting. But if your priority is keeping things affordable and space-efficient, the Ovent electric sandwich maker is a practical place to start. Next, we have the George Foreman 4-serving removable plate grill and panini press. This one is a better fit for households where you're likely to make several sandwiches or servings at once. Instead of being limited to a small sandwich press, you get a larger cooking surface that can be useful for everything from paninis and grilled sandwiches to burgers and other grilled foods. One of its biggest advantages is the removable cooking plates. Being able to remove the plates makes cleaning considerably easier than having to wipe around a permanently attached cooking surface. The grill is also designed with the kind of versatility you'd expect from a George Foreman appliance, so you're not restricted to sandwiches. You can use it for quick meals when you don't want to fire up a full-size grill or stovetop. For families, that extra cooking space can make a noticeable difference. However, it's also larger than a basic sandwich maker, so it takes up more storage space. And if you're only making one sandwich at a time, you may not need all that capacity. But for anyone who wants a sandwich press that can double as a small indoor grill and accommodate several servings, this George Foreman model is worth considering. Moving on, we have the Hamilton Beach sandwich maker, and this is the model I'd look at if you prefer sandwiches with substantial fillings. One of the problems with some sandwich presses is that they work best with relatively thin sandwiches. Once you start adding thicker layers of cheese, meat, vegetables, or other ingredients, you can run into problems with the lid and the sandwich itself getting compressed too aggressively. The Hamilton Beach takes a more accommodating approach. Its design is particularly useful for making thicker sandwiches and paninis, giving you more flexibility when you're building your meal. The floating top plate can adjust to different sandwich thicknesses rather than forcing everything into one fixed position. That means you can load up your sandwich without feeling like you're fighting against the appliance. It's also useful for more than just one particular type of sandwich, making it a practical countertop appliance for quick lunches and snacks. Cleanup is another consideration, though, and like with many appliances of this type, you'll want to clean the cooking surfaces promptly after use to prevent buildup. It also doesn't offer the same level of versatility as our top pick. But if your ideal sandwich is loaded, thick, and packed with fillings, the Hamilton Beach deserves a look. Now, let's talk about the Chefman 180-degree grill and panini press. This is where things get more interesting because the Chefman gives you more versatility than a basic sandwich maker while still being relatively straightforward to use. As the name suggests, the grill can open 180 degrees, allowing you to use it as a flat cooking surface rather than only as a closed press. That makes a difference because you're no longer limited to sandwiches. You can use the cooking surfaces for things like burgers, vegetables, grilled foods, or multiple items at once. When you do want a panini or grilled sandwich, simply close the press and let it do the work. The adjustable cooking surface also makes it easier to accommodate different types of food. This is one of those appliances that can make sense for someone who wants a little more functionality without immediately jumping to a premium multifunction grill. The main thing to keep in mind is that more versatility also means a larger appliance compared with a basic sandwich maker. So, if your only goal is making an occasional grilled cheese, this could be more appliance than you actually need. But if you want one countertop appliance that can handle sandwiches and other grilled foods, the Chefman offers a strong balance between functionality and price. And taking our top spot is the Cuisinart Griddler 5. If you don't just want a sandwich maker but would rather have a versatile countertop cooking appliance, this is the one that stands out from the rest of the lineup. The biggest reason is right there in the name: 5 cooking functions. The Griddler 5 can be used as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill or half griddle. So instead of buying a small appliance that only handles sandwiches, you're getting something that can take on a much wider range of meals. You can press a panini, grill burgers, cook breakfast foods on the griddle, or open the unit flat when you need more cooking space. The cooking plates are removable and reversible, giving you both grill and griddle surfaces, and the LCD display helps make the controls easier to manage. It also offers a wide temperature range, giving you more control over how different foods are cooked. That's a major advantage if you want to experiment beyond simple sandwiches. Of course, this kind of versatility comes with a trade-off. The Cuisinart is larger and more substantial than a basic sandwich maker, so it needs more storage space and may feel like overkill if you're only interested in making grilled cheese once in a while. It's also the kind of appliance where you're paying for the additional functionality. But if you want one countertop appliance that can replace several smaller cooking gadgets, that versatility is exactly what makes the Griddler 5 our best overall choice. So, which sandwich maker should you choose? If you're working with a small kitchen or simply want the most budget-friendly option, the Ovent electric sandwich maker keeps things compact and straightforward. If you're cooking for several people, the George Foreman 4-serving model gives you more room to work. For thick, generously filled sandwiches, the Hamilton Beach is a strong option. The Chefman 180-degree grill and panini press is a good middle ground if you want versatility, without stepping all the way up to a premium multifunction grill. But if you want the most versatility from one appliance, the Cuisinart Griddler 5 is the standout. Its ability to switch between grilling, griddling, and pressing makes it much more than just a sandwich maker. Hopefully, this guide helped you narrow down which option makes the most sense for your kitchen and cooking style. Links to all 5 products are in the description if you want to check their current prices and availability. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.